Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a slow-mo video on an iPhone without any additional application. So the first thing you have to do is just go access your camera. You can just slide your screen up here into downside if you already have the shortcut of the camera there, but then if you have no shortcuts for the camera, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you're gonna find an app library. In this app library, in the search button, you just need to type camera, and whenever you found it, you just need to click it to open it. And now you already have an access into the camera. So to create a slow-mo camera or slow-mo video, you just need to slide this part into the right side until the slow-mo option is stay in the middle of the button. And whenever you're done, you just need to start recording by click this part. And now you just need to stand for a while, for several seconds. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this button back. And now let's check the result. And you can see the video is start to be slow-mo. So that's the way how to create a slow-mo video on an iPhone without any additional application. So if you find out that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.